Hello, Namaste. Welcome back, my dear friends, to learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with some important phrases. First one is, can you show me the right direction? Means, શું તમે મને સાચી દિશા બતાવી શકો? Can you show me the right direction? Means, શું તમે મને સાચી દિશા બતાવી શકો? So here, right direction means સાચી દિશા in Gujarati. Right direction means સાચી દિશા. Okay, and you means તમે. You means તમે, and me means મને. Me means મને. So the complete sentence will be, શું તમે મને સાચી દિશા બતાવી શકો? And here, શું word is represents questionaries. Like શું we are adding for questionary. Like that. Is there a map of this area? Means આ વિસ્તારનો કોઈ નકશો છે? Is there a map of this area? Means આ વિસ્તારનો કોઈ નકશો છે? Here, area means વિસ્તાર. Area means વિસ્તાર. And map means નકશો. Map means નકશો. So in this sentence, area means વિસ્તાર in Gujarati and map means નકશો in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be, આ વિસ્તારનો કોઈ નકશો છે? Is there a map of this area? Means in Gujarati, આ વિસ્તારનો કોઈ નકશો છે? Like that. Do you know the way? Means શું તમે રસ્તો જાણો છો? Do you know the way? શું તમે રસ્તો જાણો છો? Here, way means રસ્તો in Gujarati. Way means રસ્તો. Okay guys? Way means રસ્તો in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be, શું તમે રસ્તો જાણો છો? Next one is, I'm trying to find. Means હું શોધવાનો પ્રયાસ કરી રહ્યો છું. હું શોધવાનો પ્રયાસ કરી રહ્યો છું. Here, find means શોધવાનો. Here, find means શોધવાનો in Gujarati. And trying means પ્રયાસ. Trying means પ્રયાસ. Like that, okay? I'm looking for means હું શોધી રહ્યો છું. I'm looking for means હું શોધી રહ્યો છું. Okay? Here, looking means શોધવું in Gujarati. Looking means શોધવું in Gujarati for this sentence. Okay guys? And guys, just for your information, in my all the videos, I have added subtitle. Okay? So you can straight away enable from the YouTube. If you are finding any difficulties in terms of words or any sentence, you can enable the subtitles I have added for all the videos. Thank you guys. Let's move for the next. Where can I find a book? Means book ક્યાં મળશે? Where can I find a book? Means book ક્યાં મળશે? So the bracket, you can add whatever things you are searching for. So the same way in Gujarati, you can add with starting of the sentence. Like here, if you see, we have added book with the starting of the sentence and then kya malse. So the complete sentence will be book kya malse. Just for example, if I am searching a paper then what should I use? Paper kya malse. Just for example, if I'm searching a pen, then how should I use? Pen kya malse. Like that you can ask if you are searching something. The next one is, how do I get the nearest station? Means હું નજીકના સ્ટેશન પર કેવી રીતે પહોંચી શકું? So in this sentence, nearest means નજીક. Nearest means નજીક. Okay? And how do I get means કેવી રીતે પહોંચી શકું? Okay? How do I get means કેવી રીતે પહોંચી શકું in Gujarati. Next one is, which bus or train do I need to catch? Means મારે કઈ બસ or train પકડવાની છે? So in this sentence, catch means પકડવાની. In this sentence, catch means પકડવાની in Gujarati. પકડવાની. So I suppose if I have to catch any bus or train, what should I use? મારે means me. મારે કઈ. કઈ word is for questionary. મારે કઈ bus or train, whatever you are searching for or what you need to catch, you can add here. મારે કઈ bus or train પકડવાની છે. So here catch means pakadwani, like that. The next one is, how long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there means ત્યાં પહોંચવામાં કેટલો સમય લાગે. So here the time represent સમય. In this sentence, how long means કેટલો સમય. In this sentence, how long means કેટલો સમય, and to get there means પહોંચવામાં. To get there means પહોંચવામાં. પહોંચવામાં. So the complete sentence will be ત્યાં પહોંચવામાં કેટલો સમય લાગે. So this way you can ask. So guys, now let's start with some Gujarati alphabets. And just for information, in previous session we already learned some Gujarati alphabets. If you missed, you can refer that. So let's have 3 more alphabets. The very first is the. D-A, the. Then the. D-H-A, the. Then na. N-A, na. So we have couple of words with those alphabets. Let's just get idea of those alphabets with the word in detail. So very first is datak. Datak means adopted. Datak means adopted. So if you see, this all words started with da, means the. The is the word of Gujarati alphabet. Then daftar. Daftar means school bag. Daftar means school bag. Then daban. Daban means pressure. Daban means pressure. So if you see, the very first is adopted means datak. School bag means daftar. And pressure means daban. Daban, like that. With the, we have 3 words here. The first one is dadako, means blast. Dadako means blast. Dhan means money. Dhan means money. Dhanik. Dhan means money. Like the same way, dhanik means rich. So dhan, you can relate these 2 words. So it will be easy for you to remember. Dhan means money and dhanik means rich. Okay, I'm going through the words again. Dadako means blast, dhan means money, and dhanik means rich. So if you see guys, these three words started with dha, the. Next one is na. Nakal means copy. Naksho means map. Nakamo means useless. Okay, so here copy means nakal, map means naksho, and useless means nakamo. So if you see, these three words started with na. Nakal means copy, naksho means map, and nakamo means useless. Let's have some exercise. The very first is, what word is used for brother in Gujarati? Can you tell me guys? Correct. Brother means bhai. Brother means bhai in Gujarati. How would you ask how old are you in Gujarati? Can you tell me? How would you ask how old are you in Gujarati? Correct. તમારી ઉંમર શું છે? So here, how old are you means તમારી ઉંમર શું છે? So here in this sentence, umar represents, the age. You are asking the age. So for asking the age in Gujarati, you should use umar word. Okay, so the complete sentence will be તમારી ઉંમર શું છે? How would you ask, do you speak English in Gujarati? Correct. તમને English બોલતા ફાવે છે? Do you speak English means તમને English બોલતા ફાવે છે? Okay, like that you can ask this one. How would you say please leave in Gujarati? Correct guys. મહેરબાની કરીને છોડી દો. Please leave means મહેરબાની કરીને છોડી દો. Correct guys. So I hope you guys preparing all the previous videos. So this exercise which I am preparing is for what we already learned. So this way you can remember the things easily. So try this exercise as well in between. You can do one thing, you can freeze the screen, remember what exactly the meaning of this word in Gujarati, and try to figure out. This way you can learn easily, and it will be very easy for you guys to remember as well. The next one is, how would you ask what time is it in Gujarati? How would you ask what time is it in Gujarati? Okay, correct. Ketla Vagya. So if you are asking time, you simply need to use is Ketla Vagya in Gujarati. Ketla Vagya means what time is it? Okay. Let's have couple of conversation with auto rickshaw driver. First one is, hello, can you take me to, then in inverted comma you can add whatever location you want to go. So here I want to go Sabarmati. So the meaning of this sentence in Gujarati will be, નમસ્તે, શું તમે મને સાબરમતી લઈ જઈ શકો? Okay. Hello, can you take me to Sabarmati means in Gujarati, નમસ્તે, શું તમે મને સાબરમતી લઈ જઈ શકો? Okay, you guys know hello means namaste, and the rest you can ask this way if you want to go some location. So the complete sentence will be, શું તમે મને સાબરમતી લઈ જઈ શકો? How much will it cost means કેટલા રૂપિયા થશે? So if you are asking price or rate wherever you are going, This way you can ask in Gujarati, કેટલા રૂપિયા થશે? How much it will cost? કેટલા રૂપિયા થશે? Like that, simply. How long will it take to reach there? Means ત્યાં પહોંચવામાં કેટલો time લાગશે? So, for this sentence, if you see, how long, it means કેટલો time. How long means કેટલો time. And to reach means ત્યાં પહોંચવામાં. To reach means ત્યાં પહોંચવામાં. Please stop here means અહીંયા ઊભી રાખો. Please stop here. So if you want to stop your journey, you can say અહીંયા ઊભી રાખો or અહીંયા ઊભા રહો. Thank you, my dear friends, to watching the video, and I hope you guys are really enjoying the videos. If you are enjoying, please like the video, share with your friends so they can also learn the Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Aabhar, Dhanyavad.